Hello everyone, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how to create HTML buttons like this button using HTML and CSS. Okay, close this and open your code editor and make read to file button.html and button.css as CSS. First create one div class name buttons and one headline simple hold effect with box shadow, and now create 7 buttons. Okay, and select now class name for everyone. First class name pel and text pel n, and second one class name false and again text false. Third one class name clues and text also clues, and the fourth one raise, and the fifth one F fill off. Okay, and the sixth one slide, and the last one offset. Okay, now come on to scss file. Okay, now come on to scss file and write dot pel hold and pel dot focus dot pel colon focus. Select box shadow insert 0002 em variable dash hold. Now select pulse hold and pulse focus. Animation false 1 second. Okay, and now again paste this line box shadow and just change this to transparent. Now write add keyframes pulse 0%, box shadow in this situation 0002 em. Okay, now select dot close hold and dot close focus box shadow and set minus 3.5 em 000 war and dash hold. Now paste comma and write second line like this, just change minus 2 plus. Okay, now select dot raise hold and raise focus box shadow 0.5 em 0.5 em and minus 0.4 em word dash forward. Transform translate y minus 0.25 em, and now select point of hold and of focus. Like this, and now select dot slide hold dot slide focus box shadow and set 6.5 em 000 word dash hold. Now select offset, last one box shadow 0.3 em 0.3 em 00 and word dash color, and paste comma again select insert 0.3 em 2 times and 2 times 0, and also hold and focus box shadow 000 and comma and set 60 em 3.5 pm 00 word dash dash 4. And now come on and select colors. Color purple HA972CB, purples EF6EAE, and select color parklose HFF7F82. Now select color for rays HFF8260. Now select color for up E4CB58 slide HFC866 offset 19BC8B. Okay, now select H1 and sign up dollar button. Again sign color and colors dot buttons dash dash color kurun color dash dash hor and adjust high saturation. Okay, now select button color transition time and also horizontal focus border color. And now select style for body color, background, font, and font family. Justify content center, align item center, align content center, align text center, and minimum height 100 VH and display flex. Now select style for button, just background none, border 2 pixel solid, font inherit from parent, line height 1, margin 0.5 em and padding 1 em and 2 em. Now select style for the heading, just font weight 400. Select style for code, color, and font. Now come on to HTML file. Okay, first we need to correct errors. This is not div, this is buttons. I'm very sorry for this. And come on to CSS file and fix error like this and like this. Okay, This is not, there is not sign need. Okay, this is false, no, not police. Okay, and also here we need just to minus sign, not dash dash, and this is 0, and this is also false. Now save code and come on to HTML file.